Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will talk about stars, what they are, and how they work. So strap in and enjoy discovering one of the unimaginable wonders of our universe. Look up at the night sky on a clear evening. What do you see? Thousands of twinkling points of light, each one a distant sun. These celestial objects, known as stars, have captivated humanity for millennia, inspiring countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies, and their life cycles drive the evolution of the universe. Understanding stars, therefore, is key to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Stars are essentially giant balls of hot gas, primarily hydrogen and helium, held together by their own gravity. Unlike planets, which are relatively cold and solid, stars are incredibly hot and luminous. The immense pressure and temperature at the core of a star trigger nuclear reactions that release staggering amounts of energy. This energy, in the form of light and heat, is what makes stars shine so brightly. The size of stars can vary dramatically. Some stars, known as dwarf stars, are only slightly larger than Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Others, called giant or supergiant stars, can be hundreds or even thousands of times larger than our Sun. Deep within the core of a star, a process called nuclear fusion takes place. Fusion is the process of combining lighter atomic nuclei into heavier ones, releasing tremendous energy in the process. In stars, hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium, releasing energy in the form of light and heat. This is the same process that powers the Sun and provides us with light and warmth here on Earth. The energy released from nuclear fusion creates an outward pressure that counteracts the inward pull of gravity. This delicate balance between gravity and pressure is what keeps a star stable and shining for millions or even billions of years. However, this balance cannot last forever. Stars come in a variety of sizes, colors, and temperatures. Each star is unique, with its own set of characteristics that make it stand out in the vast cosmos. Astronomers classify stars based on these characteristics, creating a stellar zoo of sorts. This classification helps us understand the life cycles and behaviors of different stars. One of the most common types of stars is the red dwarf. These stars are abundant in our galaxy and are often found in large numbers. These stars are smaller and cooler than our Sun, emitting a reddish light. Despite their size, red dwarfs play a crucial role in the galaxy's ecosystem. Red dwarfs are also incredibly long-lived, with lifespans that can stretch for trillions of years. Their longevity means they can provide stable environments for potential planetary systems. On the other end of the spectrum are giant and supergiant stars. These stars are the titans of the universe, dominating their regions of space with their immense size and brightness. These behemoths are much larger and hotter than our Sun, emitting a bluish-white light. Their intense heat and light make them some of the most fascinating objects to study. Giants and supergiants live fast and die young, exhausting their nuclear fuel much faster than their smaller counterparts. Their short but brilliant lives are a spectacle to behold. When these massive providing the light and heat necessary for photosynthesis and regulating our planet's climate. Despite its importance to us, the Sun is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. The sheer scale and diversity of the cosmos is truly awe-inspiring. Stars have always fascinated humanity, serving as beacons in the night sky and inspiring countless myths and legends. But beyond their beauty, stars hold secrets that reveal the incredible complexity of our universe. The largest known star, Scuti, is so large that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. To put that into perspective, Scuti's radius is about 1,700 times that of our Sun. This colossal star challenges our understanding of how massive stars can become. Neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova, are so dense that a teaspoonful of their material would weigh billions of tons. These stars are incredibly compact with a diameter of only about 20 kilometers, yet they contain more mass than our Sun. The gravity on a neutron star is so strong that it warps space and time around it. Some stars, called pulsars, emit beams of radiation that sweep across the Earth like lighthouse beams, producing regular pulses of radio waves. These pulses are so precise that pulsars are often referred to as cosmic clocks. They help astronomers study the extreme conditions of space and test the laws of physics. The light from some stars takes thousands or even millions of years to reach Earth, meaning that when we look at these stars, we are seeing them as they were in the distant past. This phenomenon allows astronomers to look back in time and study the history of the universe, observing events that occurred long before our solar system even existed. Stars are constantly moving through space, but their distances are so vast that their movements appear very slow to us on Earth. Over time, these movements can change the constellations we see in the night sky. By studying the motion of stars, astronomers can learn about the dynamics of our galaxy and the forces that shape it. Stars have captivated humanity for millennia, and their study continues to reveal new wonders and mysteries about the universe we inhabit. From the smallest red dwarfs to the largest supergiants, stars play a vital role in the evolution of galaxies and the cosmos as a whole. As we continue to explore the universe and learn more about these celestial objects, we gain a deeper appreciation for the vastness and complexity of the cosmos and our place within it. The next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the twinkling wonders of the stars and the countless stories they have to tell. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy watching our videos. See you next time when we continue to discover our amazing universe.